Learn these 6 ways to make money on YouTube in Zambia with or without a YouTube channel in Zambia. The golden question online in Zambia: how do you make money on YouTube in Zambia? Before you start making money on your YouTube channel in Zambia, it needs a bit of traffic. But you don't need millions of views to make a living from YouTube if you use those strategies correctly. This article discusses YouTube's market dimension in Zambia. Any or more of those approaches can be extended to your web. Here are 6 ways YouTubers in Zambia can make money. Monetize your content on YouTube in Zambia with Google AdSense. The most obvious option is to make money by showing advertisements on your YouTube videos with the help of AdSense in Zambia, which can turn into a form of passive revenue. Ads can be played until people watch your video, anywhere in the video or at the end. You may often play multiple ads on one single video. Understanding that each channel has a different CPM is important, too. Personal finance networks, for example, pay far more than the joke networks. When brainstorming video subjects or launching a channel, this may be something to keep in mind. There are several other factors impacting the CPM, as well. Requirements to sign up for AdSense on your YouTube channel in Zambia. Requirements: to put ads on your YouTube channel in Zambia, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of overall watch time on your channel in Zambia within the past 12 months and then apply. Do affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel in Zambia to make money. Affiliate marketing in Zambia, aka referral marketing in Zambia, is the method of receiving compensation to advertise goods or services for a client in Zambia. Some of the top YouTubers always say, click the description link to buy or to download. This is often an affiliate connection. And if you buy the product through a special link, they'll earn a commission. You can do affiliate marketing in Zambia with any genre or platform, and if the product or service resonates with your audience, it's very successful. Amazon has an affiliate system. To give you an example, you can advertise something on Amazon's website when you get approved and earn up to 10% commission. A number of businesses have partner systems. It typically says affiliate on the footer of their website, or you can type affiliate business name plan into Google. Sell merch or any of your products or services on your YouTube channel in Zambia to make money. This is another more simple way of using YouTube to make money in Zambia. You can sell your loyal fans merchandise and clothing that they want to support you. Most high-level YouTubers use of merchandise to make much of their money. In reality, on Black Friday, Logan Paul said he'd made over $1 million in one day, so try it in Zambia. You will find a retailer nearby to market the products. You can also find on-demand print services like Teespring, Spreadshirt, or many more online. Sell informational products such as courses on your YouTube channel in Zambia to make money. Online education in Zambia is on the rise, and people in this group are investing plenty of money. When you run a popular website or have any information your viewers want to learn, you can sell your audience a course, ebook, or consulting. If you need a website to sell courses, contact me. The best thing is that you don't need lots of views from that to make money. For example, if you do consulting, you only have to persuade a handful of clients and can charge them a lot of money. To be competitive with your product, you should over-deliver on the price they paid for it. Many YT channel types have great ways to do so, i.e. cooking, DIY, business channels, but you should really sell anything you care about in Zambia. You can build a course with Teachable, which is used by Graham Stephan, a YouTuber who makes YouTube for over $100,000 a month. Try it in Zambia. Do sponsorships or brand deals on your YouTube channel in Zambia to make money. Many companies are charging a decent amount of money for a YouTuber to place their goods in their videos somewhere, or say any good words about it. You can do this in Zambia too. One example is the tech review channels where YouTubers discuss and review new items. You can still get sponsorships if brands don't reach you yet, but you have to reach them out in Zambia. You need some kind of audience formed to form those relationships. You can then contact companies and ask if they've got an influencer program. You will then negotiate to see if they will be interested in working with you in Zambia. Accept donations on your YouTube channel in Zambia to make money. YouTubers also have their channels funded entirely by contributions from their followers. Patreon is a service that lets your fans pay for you a membership, e.g. $5 per month. You can also provide an incentive for fans to sign in by offering them exclusive videos or benefits. Some of the genres that do this are documentary channels, channels that have disabled their AdSense, creators wanting to focus on quality content, not clickbait stuff, and many more. These are the 6 ways you can make money with YouTube in Zambia. If you liked it, share with someone. If you have questions, feel free to contact me or comment below.